Hi, my name is Nuno Gomez and I am the specialist trainer for Avery Dennison in Portugal. Today I will share one of the most important topics in car wrapping, which is the cleaning and preparation of the vehicle. One of the first things to do is to remove all possible elements from the vehicle for a correct application, such as this windshield cover. After removal, you'll see a lot of dirt accumulation here. All this dirt will be very detrimental to a good finish. First step, vacuum the dirt and then use the cleaning product such as Avery Surface Cleaner. For cleaning, I will use Avery Dennison Surface Cleaner. One squeegee, a cotton swab and paper. One of the important pieces of advice is the correct use of the surface cleaner. Never spray directly on the area we want to clean, but on the paper. The correct and advisable way will always be to spray the surface cleaner on the paper. Wrap the squeegee with the paper and start cleaning in this area, which is difficult to access. The whole area will have to be very clean for a strong adhesion of the film. It is very important never to forget the surrounding area where we are going to apply the film. If we are going to apply in this area, we must clean the entire surrounding area due to the dirt that may have accumulated. Very important. Clean all the surrounding area. Spray the surface cleaner on the paper and let's clean this whole area of the windshield. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you at one of our training centres here in Lisbon or anywhere else in Europe. Or click on the link at the end of the video. Hope to see you again soon for our next video. See you soon.